So in this short tutorial, we're going to be creating a customer data capture form. This is where you invite your visitors to fill in their details, and as a thank you for them filling in their details, you're going to send them a PDF or an ebook or something like that that gives them some sort of information back, and hopefully this will eventually lead them to doing business with you. To create this sort of interaction, it requires two pages. One where the visitor puts in their details, like the one that we're seeing here, and the other one with the PDF form that you're sending back to them. So if we look at it from the outside, what you're actually doing is you're creating a customer contact page. They put in their details, and then you're sending them an autoresponder with a link to your PDF file. That way you know that the details that they are inputting are correct, and they're only getting your valuable PDF document if they put in a real email address. So let's first of all look at creating those two pages. There's the linked PDF page, which you'll find in Others, and you'll see linked PDF page, and there's the advanced contact page, which you'll find in Contact and Forms. And these are both in my website's pages, Create New Web Page. So just click on the relevant tab and then click to create the page. Remember that if you want a blank page, just use the forward and back arrows until you get to the icon that says blank page. That way you won't have to remove any of the information that's there for people when they're getting started. So first of all, create your linked public PDF page. So here's my linked public PDF page. I click on Choose File and I upload my PDF file. Now remember that your visitor is likely to be viewing this on the internet, so make it so that it downloads quickly. They don't want a 40 megabyte PDF file. Just make it so that it's screen resolution. Also, if you upload your PDF file and it's a different name to the name of your page, you will get a warning just to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Click on OK, and then it will go through. When you click on Save All, it'll upload your PDF. Now, one other thing to note on this is when you click on Show Advanced, you'll get these other options. And really, you don't want the search engines to index this PDF, otherwise anyone can get it. They don't need to be going to your website and putting in their information. So you want to block the search engines from indexing that PDF page. And we're going to do that with the form as well in certain circumstances, which we'll come on to in a moment. So block the search engines from indexing this page. You just click on the Show Advanced, then tick the checkbox, and that will stop the search engines indexing your PDF. So once you've done that, click on Save All and then go through and create the next page. So here's my advanced contact page. Again, I have ticked the checkbox to block search engines. Remember, you will only see this when you click Show Advanced and you enable it here. That will then block the search engines from indexing this page. Now you would want to do that if you, for example, were using a Facebook offer or a Facebook advert, getting traffic to go to a page like a landing page. Then you would also not want it to appear in the navigation menu. You also might not want the navigation menu to appear on the page. So all of these options are in that advanced link. But I've clicked on to block search engines and also to not show this page in my navigation menu. If I scroll down, you can see that I've added some content into the page. So I've just put in a picture and a little bit of text. Remember that this will still require you to comply with GDPR. I've actually written in on the page that by submitting the form, you give us permission to contact you with details of this offer, GDPR. So I've put in here in the marketing opt-in, don't prompt, but record yes, opt-in. You have other options in here, so you can say no and they have to tick a checkbox. But basically, we're saying if they put in their details, then they are accepting that we are going to be sending them something back because we're going to be sending them a PDF form. So the only other things that I've done in here is I have said thank you for your interest. Your free guide is on the way. Please check your email inbox in a few minutes. Some people also add other details that if you don't receive it, then please check your spam folder. All of that sort of thing is free text area, so just fill in the details as you want the visitor to be able to see it. And if I scroll down, I've asked for their name and their email address, and that is all. And bear in mind that you can ask more. You've got 20 inputs in here, but the more you ask, the less likely people are to fill it in. So only ask what you actually need to know. And then right down at the very bottom of the page, you'll see auto response. So you can put in who it's from and the email address. It will automatically take it from your profile. You can give it a subject, and then you can put in the link for them to be able to download the PDF file. If you're unsure how to get that link, I'll show you that at the end of the video. So that's it. I've created my 2 pages. Neither of them show in my website, and I've made sure that neither of them are going to get indexed by the search engines. So finally, let's have a look at how it works for the visitor. You'll see that I've used one of our announce bars at the top to highlight it to the visitor. Click here to get your free guide on getting the best offers. And if I click on that, it will then open up that advanced contact page that we just created. I've got my information, I've got my details about GDPR, and I'm asking them for their name and their email address, and then click to get the free guide now. When they fill in those details, then check their email. That PDF file that you uploaded will download to the visitor's browser. If I go back to editing my PDF page, click on Show Advanced, and in there click on Copy Link. And this is the URL that you want to put in your email. So that will then make it a link in the email for the visitor to click. They will then be able to download that PDF file or view it on screen. And that's it. I hope you found this useful.